What's going on, guys? It's Fugatsu here, and today we're going to be going over another Hytale news update thing. This blog post is all about the server technology and everything pertaining to that. So we're just going to go through this really quickly. There's a lot of stuff that normal players aren't going to understand. This post is a little bit for the players, but then it's also really just for like server developers and stuff like that. So I'm going to go over it really quickly, or at least these two things, because I don't really understand it. I'm not a coder or anything like that, but big thing here, Hytale's client is written in C hashtag, and servers will run on Java. Reasoning for Java Hytale servers is because their team is already used to that and they're able to optimize it really well, and then the community has a lot of experience with Java 2 coming from the Minecraft, and then using C hashtag, I don't know what you call that, if that's even how you say it, for the client provides performance benefits and they're happy with the results they've seen so far. There's right here, basically it's saying that servers will be shared source, which means whenever you log on to a server, if they have customized anything with the game, as you can see right here, server operators will be able to create and customize every aspect of the game, from environments and game mechanics to parts of the UI itself. So yeah, and then it says, in effect, it is possible for servers to run a modified version of the game grounded in a client that is common to every player. Every server represents its creator's vision for the game, and consistent platform, blah blah, is straightforward for players to jump between wildly different experiences. When you connect to a Hytale server, the client will automatically download all the content needed in order to play models, animations, sounds, and everything else. So it's not going to be anything like Minecraft where you're playing a modded server and you have to go download a mod pack or download all the mods specifically. It's just going to be really easy. As soon as you join the server, it's going to start downloading those files. So this is a little video they released showing how it's going to work. Going back to this, as you can see, there is a connect directly, so you can connect to like an address. So say you're going to connect to Hypixel, if that's even going to be a server. I don't know what they're going to call it, and they might just call it the official Hytale server or something like that. But just for example, if you're going to connect to Hypixel, you type mc.hypixel.net. This is the same thing, sort of like in Minecraft. So you can connect and then abort, and then once you click connect, it's going to connect. And then this is the loading screen. This might be temporary, but they may change it in the future. This doesn't really matter too much. And you can see there will be hints that will aid you in your journey. You can abort when you're connecting, and then it's going to load all the assets, NPC intelligent, torque, animations, and we're not going to read everything in here. Traveling band, I think that was one of the release songs, and it's going to just do all that and load the world. So that's pretty cool. Server browser. This is a concept, so it's not final, but it is going to show a little bit of the features that will be with the little server browser thing. As you can see right here, it says you'll be able to sort by the types of games you want, adventure mode or mini games, co-op or competitive, as well as other factors like languages supported. A tagging system will allow servers to designate the type of content they provide alongside traditional serverless features like banners and graphics. As an example, users can favorite servers that they enjoy, and you'll be able to sort the server list by the total number of favorites that each server has received in order to quickly find the most popular places to play. This is just a concept for the server browser. It's subject to change. They also say the Hytale server browser will be actively moderated, and all server operators from large minigame networks to smaller community servers are required to adhere to the lightweight terms of service. Appearing on it won't be necessary in order for players to join a server, but they expect that's how most players will be finding the servers to play on. And then going over this image, we can see a few things. I can't really see anything in the background of note. This is just a server list. It shows this might be like top servers or something. Sorry. And then as you can see, I think this means like you favorited it. I'm not sure. And then it'll show example server listing. I'm sure this will say the name of the server or something, and it'll show the players online and the max amount of players and how many players play monthly, and then it'll show your ping and then the average ping. And then over here you'll be able to click and link to their website. You'll be able to share it or copy the IP to send it to your friends, and then you can just click connect. You've got a little description, so server makers can put a description. They can put screenshots, put different available languages that it is in, and then news things. So this is really cool. Servers are going to be able to put updates onto things, so before you join the server you might notice something down there. And going back up here real quick, as you can see where it says a tagging system. So a server, say it's like a survival game server, because I hope one of those is going to pop up because I really like survival games as a game mode. Say a survival game server pops up, they'll be able to tag it as survival games or Hunger Games or something like that, and then you'll be able to search for Hunger Games and find all the Hunger Games servers and stuff like that. Playing with friends, they've implemented technology to make playing together as painless as possible. The friends list allows you to jump into servers that your friends are currently playing on, and also allows you to connect to their adventure mode worlds. To ensure that this is a smooth process, they're using UPnP. Not really sure what it is. They handle the forwarding automatically when possible, and if that's unavailable, they will attempt NAT punch through. So in practical terms, you can join your friends' worlds through your friends list as long as you're both connected to the internet, and never even have to set up port forwarding like in Minecraft. And then a platform to build on. They've poured everything in this. Their mission is to eventually implement solutions to all the difficulties that they've encountered over the years to to anticipate the issues that players and server operators may face and have the answer for them. They're looking forward to working closely with the community, and they'll be reaching out to ensure that we factor in our requirements and ideas. So that's pretty much it for this whole blog post, going over some Hytale things. Sorry if I was a little over the place. Haven't recorded a video in like 6 months, so my commentary is really bad, and for some reason I'm also out of breath. I'm not fat or anything, I'm just kind of out of breath. I want to make these videos a little bit more entertaining too, so it's just not like my boring voice, because I do have a very like bland voice, especially right now. It sounds like I just woke up or that I'm like sick, but I'm not. So I'm gonna try and make these a little bit more entertaining. But thanks for watching. Leave a like if you did enjoy, and leave a like if you're excited for Hytale, because I know I am. See you guys later. Peace.